Hey friend, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Katie Barron, the founder of Let's Get physical examination training platform for natural health practitioners and practitioners in general. I've actually had quite a few pharmacists join my groups. So, why are you here? You've shown interest in up-leveling and upskilling your physical examination clinical practice. Good job. Really, really good move. The world's changed and we are online and we are face to face, and most practitioners are actually doing a bit of a hybrid of both. Well, I've got you. Don't worry about it. I'm just over the moon that you want to add this modality to your practice, because what it does is it really, really helps fine tune and refine your practice. It's going to help you get the best results for your clients. It's going to fine tune and refine that treatment protocol, and it's going to help you with those little aha moments, those little missing pieces of the puzzles that sometimes we can mull over and not quite get when we've got our patient in front of us. The other thing that's going to happen is when you start using physical examination in your practice is you're going to increase your clinical confidence in general. And when you do that, you just become a bit of a magnet for clients. You find that things flow. You find that you've got confidence to follow your intuition and to actually create these amazing treatment plans that they get great results. The other thing is that when you're going that extra mile and you're using physical examination and you're sort of just doing the little bit extra for them, people notice. They really do. They're going to tell everyone about you, and that's going to help build your business, which is partly why we're here too, right? So I've been lecturing this subject for over 5 years in college, and I also used it kind of as a bit of a no-brainer in my own private practice. I guess I was so good at it, educating others, that I found it really easy to just implement it. But I found that actually qualified practices were really struggling with it. So I developed the program, and then I developed the library. This library covers all the relevant physical examinations that you can need for your clinical practice, from head to toe, body system by body system. We have technique videos, and then we have theory videos to cover what's going on in the background. And I really made sure that my videographer, when she was filming, would zoom right in on hand placement, so you can always get a solid understanding of exactly what to do and when. Your library is lifetime access, and I've done this very specifically because I want you to be able to go and use it and go back to it and back and forth whenever you need it, using the body system, the technique that is important for that clinical picture in front of you, and to be able to use it. As I said, it's a library. It's a reference resource for you forever. So that means that you are entitled to all of the upgrades, all of the revisions, and all of the bits and pieces and new research and new things that I add as things come up. As we know, health and science is an ever-evolving beast, and we want to be at the forefront of this. So that is there for you to make sure that you are fully equipped and that you are supported in your physical examination practice. I'm so passionate about this work. I'm so passionate about helping you help others, because let's face it, this is why we got into this in the first place. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. I really look forward to hearing how you implement this important modality into your practice and you help your people, because that's why we're here. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.